Let's get started by unboxing the boat here. We'll start off by taking the wrapper off. Be careful not to cut too deep so you don't puncture the boat underneath. Let's start off by opening the box where the floorboards come in and other accessory pieces. So it looks like this box has 2 bench seats, a set of stringers, and your floorboards. Now take extreme caution if you're going to open up the box with the boat in it, so this way you don't put any holes or tears in your brand new boat. So this box is going to contain your boat, but as you can see I just pulled out the bench seat cushion slash bag, and I've also seen we've got a bow bag in here as well, and we've got the pump in there and also a set of paddles. You'll see this box contains 2 repair kits, but in actuality it is a set of wrenches and your repair kit in the other one. And this glue kit contains 2 tubes of glue and some patch material. Now let's pull the boat out of the box here and assemble the boat. Let's pull the boat out of the boat bag here and unravel it and get it ready to be filled up with some air. By filling the boat up first, we're able to stretch it out so we can fit the floorboards nicely in. What's a really nice feature on this boat is it has an aluminum transom, so you don't have to worry about wood rotting down the road. Now let's pull the floorboards out of the floorboard bag and unwrap them and get them ready to be installed into the boat. As I wrap these floorboards, I'm just going to put them off to the side so they don't get damaged while I take them out one at a time. Another nice feature on this boat is it has a bow floorboard that's made out of fiberglass. So another thing you don't have to worry about rotting down the road. Let's deflate the boat now and get ready to install the floorboards. Now that I have the floorboards set in place and the stringers mounted so the floorboards are nice and stiff, I'm going to inflate the boat to its operating pressures and start assembling the rest of the accessories. And there you have it, folks. The Stryker boat is all assembled. Got all the accessories set in place. She's a really nice boat for the money that you pay for. There's ample room in the bench bag cushion area for your pump and your repair kits, and also your owner's manual. And in the bow bag here, there is enormous amounts of room to put your floorboard bag and your boat bag in there, so this way they're stored away. And that is the unboxing of the Stryker boats that we carry at our store now. They're all very nice boats. Come well equipped with 2 benches, a bench cushion / bag, a bow bag, aluminum transom, aluminum floorboards. It's even got the Scotty mounts, your bimini top mounts. Very well constructed boat. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, and make sure you hit that like button that's somewhere around there, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Stay safe and happy boating, everybody.